Ever found yourself crushing on someone, but unsure how to get them to like you back? You're not alone. Whether you're daydreaming about that cute classmate, a charming colleague, or someone you've just met, figuring out how to catch their eye and win their affection can be a daunting task. But fear not. Welcome back to Dating Authority, your trusted source for valuable relationship advice. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we are revealing 10 proven hacks to help you catch your crush's eye and win their affection. Stay tuned to discover these effective strategies and take your chance at romance to the next level. Number 1. Be confident. Confidence is incredibly attractive. When you believe in yourself, it shows. Standing tall, making eye contact, and smiling can draw people to you. Practice self-love and remind yourself of your worth because confidence naturally makes you more appealing to your crush. Number 2. Show genuine interest. People love to feel valued and heard. Showing genuine interest in your crush's life and passions can create a strong connection. Ask open-ended questions about their interests, listen actively, and remember details about what they share. This shows you care and value their thoughts, making them more likely to feel the same about you. Number 3. Find common interests. Shared interests provide a solid foundation for any relationship. Discover mutual interests and engage in those activities together. Whether it's a love for sports, music, or a particular TV show, bonding over common passions can deepen your connection and give you more to talk about. Number 4. Compliment them. Who doesn't like a genuine compliment? Compliments can boost your crush's mood and make them associate those positive feelings with you. Offer sincere and specific compliments about their appearance, personality, or achievements. Make sure your compliments are heartfelt and not overdone. Number 5. Be yourself. Authenticity is key. Pretending to be someone you're not can lead to a shaky foundation. Embrace your true self and let your unique qualities shine. Your authenticity will attract someone who genuinely appreciates you for who you are, leading to a more genuine connection. Number 6. Be supportive. Everyone needs support, especially during challenging times. Being a supportive friend can pave the way to a deeper relationship. Be there for your crush in both good times and bad, offering a listening ear, giving encouragement, and celebrating their success. This shows you care about their well-being. Number 7. Use body language. Nonverbal cues can speak volumes. Use open and positive body language by leaning in when they speak, maintaining eye contact, and using friendly gestures. Mirroring their body language can also create a subconscious connection, making them feel more comfortable and connected to you. Number 8. Make them laugh. Humor is a great way to bond and create a relaxed atmosphere. Share funny stories, lighthearted jokes, and show your playful side. Making your crush laugh will make them enjoy your company more and associate you with positive feelings. Number 9. Be mysterious. A bit of mystery can be intriguing. Revealing everything about yourself too soon can sometimes dampen the excitement. Share enough to keep your crush interested, but leave some things to be discovered over time. This keeps the anticipation and excitement alive, making them want to know more about you. Number 10. Show your ambition. Ambition and passion are attractive traits. Share your dreams and show your dedication to achieving them. Being passionate about your life and future plans can be very appealing to your crush, showing them that you have direction and drive. So these are my 10 strategies to get your crush to like you back. Remember, confidence, genuine interest, and a touch of humor can go a long way. Here are 3 bonus tips specially for you. Bonus tip number 1, stay positive. Positivity is contagious. Maintain an optimistic outlook and focus on the good things in life. Your positive energy will draw your crush towards you. Bonus tip number 2, respect their space. While it's important to show interest, respecting your crush's space is crucial. Give them room to breathe and come to you naturally. Bonus tip number 3, take care of yourself. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being not only boosts your confidence, but also makes you more attractive. Exercise, eat healthily, and engage in activities that make you happy. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Which of these hacks are you excited to try out? If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with those who might benefit, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest relationship advice.